says moo 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 moo. The dog says woof 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 woof. The duck says quack 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 quack. The cat says meow 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 meow. The sheep says ba 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 ba. The horse says neigh 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 neigh. The pig says oink oink oink. Oink oink. The frog says ribbit 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 ribbit. Animals are talking, can you hear? Sounds from the farm, the wild and near. Sing along, it's fun to do. Learning the sounds they make with you. The elephant says trumpet 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 trumpet. The goat says mama mama. The turkey says gobble gobble gobble.